Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a video recording as your call background or your lock screen wallpaper. So it's real simple to do. Just launch the camera. And then select video. Okay, so I've got my brother here. He is a world professional famous dancer who used to dance for the Jackson 5. You should all be familiar with him. Okay, so he's about to do a little dance for you all. So just go ahead and hit record. Look at the knees, guys. Look at the knees. He really knows how to dance. Look at that, guys. He's been a famous dancer with the Jackson 5 since 1989. Go on, lad. Okay, so once you've finished recording the video, you're just going to hit the stop button. And then go into the gallery. And look for your recorded video. So here's the recorded video. Select those little 3 pins there, and then you have the option set as wallpaper, and you can set the wallpaper as lock screen or call background. Also, you can give the video a love heart, and you can also edit the video. So you can edit the length of the video or which part of the video you want. You can also trim it, and you can add filters to the video as well. So there's a bunch of different filters that you can choose from. You can also add stickers. And you can move the stickers around to wherever you want on the video. You can also add text to the video as well. And you can adjust and change the colors of the text. And once you've finished editing, you just hit save, and it will save the video. It'll take a while to save, guys. Just wait for it to get to 100%. And then just hit those 3 little pins, set as wallpaper, set as either your lock screen or call background. So I'm going to set it as my lock screen. Okay guys, so my video is a bit too long. This video is a bit too long. Tap the edit button above to trim it down to 15 seconds or less. Okay, so I'm just going to tap the little scissors there and then just trim it down to 10 seconds. Hit done. And then set on lock screen. Okay, so let's go to the lock screen and see if it's been set. Okay guys, there it is. There's the world renowned famous dancer who used to dance with the Jackson 5 on my lock screen with his wobbly knees. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. I just thought I'd share this with you all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, especially for his dancing skills. Look at that. I'm amazed. I'm blown away. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.